Good morning. Today is the 8th of August in 2022, and today we have a character 9, and I must show this beautiful picture in the city of Nara in Japan. Nara is a very beautiful city in Japan, and it preserves the Chinese culture in the Tang Dynasty. And because of this city's name is so famous that this Chinese word is luckily to be preserved because I will show you a very interesting um, here, even in a Taiwan national website for writing, we don't see this letter anymore. So I can't show you how to write for the sequence for this character from the Taiwan's national website. So it's very funny, but in the Wikipedia, we don't have this character, and they direct it correctly to apples, and that is correct. Exactly, this character is the old character, the old character, and we no longer use in China. For the Chinese language, we no longer use it. In fact, it means apple. It means apple or something that how can one help? It's a kind of a disappointment, but it also seldom used. Normally, it just means apple, and almost it never happened again in the Chinese language. So, it's only preserved in Japan, in the city Nailiang, Nara. It is a very old character, and it's also a very beautiful character. Normally we have very old characters that no longer used. We found it very beautiful because they preserve the Chinese culture that was 1,000 years ago. And in the classic, we must find this guy in the text. And yeah, sometimes hard to find. Yes, we're here. 果真李赖.
果真李赖.
This means the fruits. Some of this very precious fruit is li, and nai li mean the plum. We talked about it yesterday, and nai is apple. This means that plums and apples are considered to be very special fruits. Perhaps it's expensive in olden days, so we call 果真李赖. We don't even have a sound for that in the Taiwan national website, so but we can from the Romanization nai, okay. In Cantonese it's noi.
Nai.
So correct, and no more Chinese, no more translation here, and only some translation. I think it was wrong as a crab. I think totally wrong. Nine Unicode character name. Strokes 9 strokes. Pinyin Mandarin 9. In Cantonese it's noi, and Japanese is karanasi. Japanese is very different from, although they inherit a lot of Chinese culture, but for the sound they have their own pronunciation. In Korean, and also similar. For the writing here, yesterday we have the Li and the Nai. Then it's similar to Li. We write here and then like that. But again, this character is almost never used in Chinese language anymore. But it's very interesting and helpful to understand the meaning, especially when it's now preserved in Japan, in the Nara city. Okay, and I can show you the Nara Nara Park, where you can see a lot of the deer, and also for Japanese they also preserve the name here.
奈良公园
Then when you go to the Nara Park, and then the understanding, the meaning, and that would be surprise friends why you know it. Okay, thank you very much, and hope to talk to the next character tomorrow. Thank you.